today is the day, so let's see what we have. So first thing coming in their room, we found these at Aldi's last year in the fall. There's one in this room, one in the other one. They're just nice for holding the door open. The house has kind of shifted a little bit over the years after it was moved here, so that door does not stay open like it should, but that's okay. We have a cute little raccoon that holds it open. This is one of my favorite features about this room. Was before we couldn't really find a place where we could put the umbrellas for them, and a lot of these are parasols from Zoo Knoxville, from Epcot, I think 2 from Zoo Knoxville, and then there's also an original Mary Poppins umbrella like merch that they had. There's also some lanterns in here. The eventual goal is to possibly hang lanterns from the ceiling. We're gonna try that out, but I love this wooden basket, wicker basket, with the umbrellas right here, right inside the door. Then coming into the room, these are the Camilla dressers. We've done a video where we assembled one of these. I think we may have assembled all of them on video, but we purchased 3 of these at one time for the girls. They are perfect for helping for keeping clothing to a minimal for our family, for like when we're traveling and just at home, to try to keep things, you know, as simplistic as possible. And it also makes for quick grab and go from when we are packing suitcases. I love that they can have enough room still, even with the dressers being smaller. They have enough room for like their personal items, but they can also change out decor for the different seasons on top of their dressers. Here is the shoe holder. Again, we purchased this one at Walmart, and what I love about this, if you haven't seen our video about it, is it has these springs at the top. So where this one that the backpacks and stuff were on can kind of move around a little bit, this one cannot. So whenever they're getting shoes out, they're not going to bang it up on the door, and they're not going to have to worry about like it falling down on them when they pull the shoes from the top rows. And there's plenty of pockets for the 2 of them to use, to share, and to also space out some of their other shoes so that they're not doubled up. In the closet, all we did was move around a lot of the boxes and storage, and then we took some of the things that were in bag storage, like vacuum seal bags, and moved them into the American Girl doll boxes for them to be able to have for easier use to get in and out whenever they want. So now like they can change out their American Girl doll seasonal clothing into the individual boxes as they go, and it's all organized in one space just for them. Then we have all of their hanging clothes, all of their dresses, all their skirts, some of their around the house play clothes, some of their seasonal items like swimwear, swim covers, some of their really dressy outfits are all in here. Plenty of room in the bottom of the closet for growth later if needed. Then we have where we winterized in here, so the magnets are covering over the vent for their room right now, because they are using just the space heater for right now. What they love about this one is they can choose the degree of temperature that they want, and it will automatically cut off once it's that temperature in their room, and then they can choose what temperature they want their room to be. I love this shelf that Matt built for them years ago. It was originally supposed to be a craft shelf, but they have turned it into mostly American Girl doll storage, but it also has like one tea set, and then their robotics kits here, and then a couple of other little things right here. But also it gives space for where the oldest one has built a dollhouse, and she showed you that one in the last video, but she built a custom dollhouse and it fits perfectly right there. Speaking of doll houses, they still have the original Loving Family dollhouse. These are really hard to find on Amazon, but you can still find them. They're so durable, you guys. They're 3-4 stories tall. You can buy a furniture piece with them, or you can make them to go with them. But I really love this. It's super durable. We've had it for years, and the kids still love playing with it. Then all we did was take a plastic drawer unit and covered it with green duct tape to add kind of like an accent color to the rest of the room and make it, you know, clear so that you can't really see all the toys in it, because sometimes bins of toys just look sloppy to me. And that's also her Polly Pocket advent calendar from last year, but it has like an actual Christmas scene in it, so she keeps it with the dollhouse stuff, and then everything else also fits in here. Cute little picture frame with a picture I think her sister made for her with her dancing porg. This is a knitting table that Matt custom made for the knitting machine that I was given years and years ago, but my 13-year-old keeps it in here. Her basket of yarn down there that kind of feeds up and through, and then the pieces also fall through the hole in the center, and like it should, and falls down to there. For now, the toy box is staying in here. We're not keeping the butterfly rug. We probably won't keep the toy box as well. But for now, it's staying right there and is extra storage if they need it. Little chair they won at the fair years ago. This is one that we also purchased from Amazon. It's an 18-inch camping set. Right now it has Pokemon in it because the Pokemon are going camping. But it also has like a sleeping bag, a lantern, and some other cute little pieces for camping. But it's on Amazon. I'll link that. As well as the triple doll bunk bed because it has 1, 2, 3 beds on each one. We wanted to get a triple for each girl because they have been blessed with being given many American Girl dolls from family members and friends who knew that like that was the one thing that they loved to have. So they ended up going ahead and buying one for the 2 that live in this room because they each needed more doll storage space for their dolls. Also, again, this is a plastic tote that we turn sideways, and it has a dowel rod that runs through it, and then they can hang all the American Girl doll hangers on top of it. And then also for the bunk beds, the new mattresses are working out so well. The new mattress covers are great. They fit completely tight and perfect on here. It's hard to get, but yeah, see, they're right here. They're not like the cheap plastic where you can hear yourself rolling over and over again at night. No, these are actually really nice mattress covers as well. And I was shocked to be able to find something like that on Amazon of just like purchasing, you know, memory foam mattresses that worked really well for bunk beds because we wanted something that was going to be lower than this bar for the top bunk, and it worked out perfectly. So that is, oh, and then we have a couple more things. So that diaper bag holds all like their folded baby doll clothes and American Girl and Willie Wisher and Bitty Baby doll clothes. And then these 2 bins I purchased from Walmart. I did not show those on a grocery haul. It was one of those busy weeks. But this is one for Rebecca, one for Sarah. And what they get to do with these is it is easy storage for their throw blankets for school days, travel. Sometimes we'll end up doing a travel day when it's like super early and we're not expecting it to, and we kind of just need some extra blankets. So that is also what that is for like for travel purposes. And then also we have the stairs, which also means that we have drawer units on the side for them to have for extra space. Now the only thing I don't like about the bed was that these little pieces of plywood kind of just popped out over time, but that actually worked out really well for us for storage because they get to fit all of their American Girl doll and princess brand ponies into that storage space. What's your favorite thing about the new room?
My bed.
What's your favorite thing about the new room?
I think either my bed or my dollhouse.
My favorite thing about your room is that basket. Like, I love that basket because now we finally have a space for all of the umbrellas and the fans. And so, but you're really happy with your new room?
Mm-hmm. But look at the shelf. The shelf is green, like grass. It perfectly matches.
It is a beautiful shelf, and it is a beautiful addition to your new room.